This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Darlene Taylor. Custom-built rancher with the perfect location inside Kingston City Limits on 0.99 of an acre. 1,815 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Nice floor plan with plenty of room for entertaining guests inside and out. Living room with a beautiful cathedral ceiling and propane gas log fireplace. 2 car attached garage, 2 car detached carport, Inground swimming pool, and pool house, concrete driveway. Natural gas is available. Home is just minutes from Turkey Creek. Home needs some TLC and is being sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Darlene Taylor at 865-693-1111.